Yo, what's happening? I just got off of work and it's supposed to be cold tonight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you what I do when it gets cold, because down here in Texas, sometimes it'll, be hot one day and then the next day it's 35 degrees. So I just want to show you what I do. So just pay attention. Down here in Texas, Central Texas, is getting cold. It's April 13th, man, and it's still getting cold, like in the 30s. Usually it's already hot. It's after spring. So I just don't like losing plants. I hate coming out and see how beautiful and green that is. And then you come out and they're all sagging and all yellow. It just really pisses me off. So yeah, I just moved them inside the little greenhouse. It's just a regular old little greenhouse. Nothing, I think it's maybe 7 by 10 or 12 or something like that. It's not that bad. Pretty soon I'll have everything back over there. I'm gonna leave Melon City out here. I might just cover them with my tarp. It just paranoids me, man. I've lost so much stuff just from it getting cold, especially like, newborns, stuff like that, little babies. And that's what I grow. I grow a lot of little babies from seeds, so it just pisses me off when I come out here and I've spent so much time and I come out here and these bad boys are yellow or something and they look nice and healthy, like they're ready to start vining out here real soon. So we'll see.